guys. Wow, do you have a big project going on? Can I help?
Our own car wash!
Washing cars can be such fun, splashing all around. Squishy sponges, slimy soaps, and bubbles on the ground.
Yeah!
Scrubbing as we clean the car to keep it looking fine. Wash and rinse and then we dry, the car wash makes it shine. First we need to clean the windshield. We sprinkle a little water and we wash off the dirt.
Soaps and suds are lots of fun, floating in the air. Give the cars a scrub, 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 like when you wash your hair. Wash the car from front to back, the windshield and the hood. Don't forget to wash the trunk to keep it looking good.
I'll show you how to make your own bubbles with just a sponge. Soak the sponge into soap and we rub, rub, rub.
We love to wash the dirt away and clean the car together. It's fun to splash the water spray in nice hot summer weather. When we play the car wash game, it's so much fun to do. Washing, wiping as we play makes an old car look new.
We wash away all the soap before we can dry our cars. Rinse into the little holes and cracks. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Is clean and wet, we must let it dry. It will dry out from the sun and breezes blowing by. We can use a special cloth to dry cars as we play. Then we squeeze the cloth to make the water go away. If the water is still dripping, we need to squeeze our cloth. We squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze, and the water leaves.
Washing cars is so much fun. We all work together. Water squirts away the dirt and makes the cars look better. If you want a nice clean car, here's what you should do.